Pharmaceutical Executive, where business meets policy, introduces PharmExec TV, a new and innovative video platform from the pharmaceutical and biotech industry's leading source of content. Curated by editorial director Bill Looney, PharmExec TV provides the same insight and analysis that you've come to expect from the PharmExec brand. PharmExec TV will offer unique insight into the leading issues, as well as exclusive interviews with key opinion leaders from around the industry, breaking news, and much, much more. This platform offers a new way to engage the industry's leaders of tomorrow. They will come for PharmExec's unique brand of editorial content, but they will stay to download collateral, link to your videos, and connect through calls to action available right in the channel itself. PharmExec TV offers multiple sponsorship opportunities, including exclusive underwriting or participation as part of a larger integrated package. PharmExec TV, where business meets policy for the next generation of pharma leaders.